guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on using a product from Quidad. This is the Quidad Advanced Climate Control Anti-Frizz Nano technology. This is the heat and humidity gel. And in today's video, you're going to see me apply it and you're going to see the results as well. But before we get into this video, please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start off with the results because these are the results and this is day one hair. My hair has quite a bit of frizz, and as my hair is getting longer and longer, I've noticed that my curls are getting kinkier and kinkier. So I'm having a lot of shrinkage. You can't really see my curls in terms of like nice waves, but they're really getting kinky. I've got a lot of frizz, but I like it in a weird kind of way. This gives really nice volume. It's soft to the touch, it's not crunchy, and I'm really feeling my hair and I'm feeling the results from this gel. This gel is for all curl types, so whether you have type 2, 3, or 4, this gel is for you. And it also promises a strong hold. There's no crunch, but it actually does give your curls hold. I don't feel like my hair is way too big or like there's no styling product in my hair. This is day one. I'm very pleased with it. Something that's also a bonus is I noticed that this dried very quickly in terms of after application. It didn't take too long for my hair to get 100% dry, which was really nice. I like gels that dry fairly quickly. Before I end, I want to tell you something really nice about this gel. Whenever you're talking about refreshing curly hair, you know, you always hear us say, spritz some water, it reactivates the product. You really see the product reactivate. When I woke up this morning, I slept with my hair in a pineapple, and when I, opened it up, the front was a little bit poofy and stuff. I spritzed some water and I literally could see the gel on my hair again, and I could feel it. I could feel the gel reactivate and working again. It was a really nice experience. There's not a lot of product in here. A little goes a long way. If you have type 3 hair on the lower end of the scale, example type 3C, you have 4A hair, 4B in the 4 category, and you really want that really nice afro, you want that volume. This is gonna deliver on that. It really is, and it's gonna give you the hold. I live in a very hot, humid environment. I'm currently filming in the month of May. I'm not sure if this video is going to be posted in probably even July or August. I have no idea, maybe even in the month of May. It's hot and it's humid. This is day one here. It's done a good job. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue using this product, and I'll do a full in-depth review on whether or not the Quidad Advanced Climate Control that defines curls and locks out humidity really does work in humid environments. That's going to come in a really nice review for you guys, but in the tutorial you saw the application and these are the results. Thanks for spending your time with me, guys. I always appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again. Take care.